Come on, come on. When is it gonna be here? They said it would be in here 3 days, but it's only been 2 hours! Wait a minute. I think that's it. Yay! Yes, it's here. Oh! Ow, that hurts, but it was worth it. It's finally here. There it is. Grab it. Yes! Oh my god, thank god it's finally here. Let's go open it. Oh, yes, it's finally here. Just open this. Oh, let me go get the Fidget Cube. There it is. Yes, I got it. I'm gonna go have so much fun with this. Day 3. I still have been in my room all this time. I don't even remember what a tree is. What was a tree? The orange? They're made out of metal. I don't know. Fidget Cube just so fun. I haven't seen my family. I don't remember what they look like either. This is just too fun. Why would I even leave here? I'm just having the best time. Ooh, I could tell my friend Patrick about this. Okay, let me see. And Patrick, okay? Just wait for him to answer. Finally! Yeah, Patrick, I'll tell you about it in a second. I have to turn my light on. I haven't seen light in 3 days. Just get that on, okay? So, there is this really cool thing I want to show you. No, I'm not telling you. You can come over. That's how you find out about it. In a few minutes? Sure, that sounds good. Goodbye. Wait. That's him. Okay. He's here.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hey.
Hi, Ken.
Hey there, Patrick. Hug. Let's go inside.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So, what do you want to show me?
You're gonna be so amazed by this. Bam, a Fidget Cube.
I've always wanted one of those.
Yeah, they're super cool, right?
Can I hold it?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What's your favorite part about it?
This light switch thing. It's really fun.
What do you not like about it?
I don't really like these 5 little button things.
Yeah, I said it can get bored after a while. So, you can have a few more seconds, because it's really fun. But okay, can I have it back now? I'll take that as a no. Patrick, stop right there. Give me my Fidget Cube back. Okay, just stop. I see you there. Stop right there. Get up here. Now give me the Fidget Cube back, Patrick.
Never!
I'll have to take it from you. No, don't. I think you're perfectly fine. We're like just like 5 feet. There's no way that could even hurt you a little. You know, I'm coming down there.
You're hurting me!
Okay. Well, stop now. Well, now I got the Fidget Cube back. Tell me, why did you try to steal it?
Because I wanted to sell it in my shop. It was really cool.
Oh yeah, these have been really popular among shops. How about I can order you one, and then you could sell it there for more than you bought it.
That sounds like a really good idea.
Yeah!
And thus, our heroes bought another fidget cube and used it to sell in Patrick's shop.